Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie here. Let's get right into this video of me making this aloe vera curling custard. Let's get into it.
And all the friends, let's go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, overweight we go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie here, and I have a quick video for you today. I've already started my prep. You can see over here where I've cut up my aloe vera leaf, and I used my nut milk bag and squeezed out all of the juice from the aloe vera. So I have all the gel here. I'm going to move that out of the way. If you guys do not know how to cut or prep your aloe vera, please watch one of my previous videos and it will show you how I cut up my aloe vera leaf. I'm going to put on some gloves because this product will be sold as well as given to my mom. And like I said on my previous video, if I'm making it for myself, I do not put on gloves, but if I plan on selling it or making it for someone else, I'll put gloves on. Okay, so this is the gel here that I squeezed from the aloe vera leaf. Now this recipe here, today I will be making a detangler pre-poo. It can also be used as a daily moisturizer or leave-in. And this also can be used as a styling gel, aloe vera styling gel. And there's only 4 ingredients. So I'm going to have my, of course, the aloe vera gel. I'm going to put in some castor oil. Try to put this where you guys can see it. Some xanthan gum, and a preservative. This is my first time using preservative in my product, so we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to start off with putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Okay, next I'm going to add about 1 milliliter using this dropper of this natural preservative here. And you guys know I only like using natural ingredients when making my natural products, so I'm going to shake it up really well using my dropper. 1 milliliter there, and I'm going to add that in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up my xanthan gum. Then this is also a natural ingredient. It's vegan friendly. It's gluten free, no GMO. It's raw powder. It can be added in food. And this is a natural thickener. So I'm going to add this until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Start off using a tablespoon at a time. I have a feeling I'm going to need my hand mixer for this. We'll start off with 4 tablespoons. Okay, I'm going to stop right here and get my mixer and mix this up, you guys. I'll be right back once I get it mixed up. Probably going to put it in a blender. That's the easiest way. So I'll be right back once I put it in a blender and blend it up. Okay, I'm going to pour my mixture in the blender. Okay, you guys. This is what I have. A nice, creamy, jelly consistency. Okay everyone, so I had to come back and re-edit this video and add a part to it. So, like I said, this is my first time doing this experiment, and I wanted to point out some things to you guys. For one, do you see the difference in this one and this one? Okay, so even though I added a preservative, the aloe vera, I left this one out and put this one in the refrigerator. So even though a preservative was added to it, the aloe vera, which you know that aloe vera, when you leave it out, it does turn a purplish color, and that's what happened to this one. Leaving it out, it turned purple, starting to turn a purple tint after 2 days. Putting this one and leaving it in the refrigerator, it still has this natural texture from when I first made it. Also, the second thing is, in the video when I was making it, I put in 4 tablespoons of the xanthan gum here, but I only had 2 cups of aloe vera juice, the gel from the leaf. After cutting up 2 whole leaves, it only gave me 2 cups of gel. So what I ended up having to do was add 2 more cups of the aloe vera juice. And that is this here. I had to add 2 cups of aloe vera juice to my mixture and re-blend it again in the blender for it to come out a smoother texture. So I wanted to show you guys the texture that it is now compared to earlier in the video. So earlier in the video it was very thick because I put that 4 tablespoons. And I should have continued to just add it slowly after adding that 2 tablespoons and just blending it up in the blender instead of trying to do it with my hand. This is the consistency that I was looking for, not that thicker consistency earlier in the video. Now that I have the correct consistency, I am going to show you guys what it does to my hair. So give me 1 second, let me readjust the camera. Okay you guys, so I wanted to show you exactly how it looks in my hair. So I had braids in and I just took all my braids down, so I need to wash my hair. So this is old I wouldn't say that my hair is dirty because I did wash it 4 days ago rather. It just doesn't have any product in it. It just needs to be re-washed from taking the braids down. So you guys see, this is my hair kind of stretched after taking out the braids. This is the one I'm using, the one I left out. Now I did put it in the refrigerator after I realized that it was changing in colors. I have tried this out already once, even though it may show a white residue. Of course, that's the aloe vera, but it does dry, leaving no residue. I'm not going to use a dimming brush or anything. I'm just going to keep rubbing it in until it takes into my hair. Because of course I'm adding this on dry hair. If you hear anything in the background, I do apologize. That is my husband. He's on his phone. And do you guys see that? Like I said, it works great as a detangler, as a pre-poo. Just add your favorite conditioner and shampoo to it and use it as a pre-poo or co-wash. And it has a nice hold too. When it dries, it will dry with a nice hold to make it as a balm aloe vera gel or curling custard, which I think that's what I'm going to call this aloe vera curling custard. Because you guys see, I didn't shingle coil or nothing, and look at my curls. Look at my curls. Look at how they're popping. The shrinkage is real. Let me take down the other side so you guys can see the difference. And this is the difference. Without the custard and with the custard. Without the custard and with the custard. I'll be right back, you guys. This is my mom calling me. This is my... Okay, you guys, so I'm back. So apologize for that. My mom called. Gotta love your mother. So I put my diffuser on this part that I did on cool air to try to dry it some. And it is pretty much dry. And it has, like I said, a nice hold. And this is the side that has none. And this is the side that I added the aloe vera custard that I made. Thank everyone for watching my video. I do want to reiterate that there were a few errors made in making this product. However, it was an easy fix. So I want you to remember two things. One, make sure that you only add 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum per 1 cup of solution. And 2, if you're making it with the aloe vera, please make sure you store it in the refrigerator, because if left out, even though you're putting the preservative in it, your aloe vera, the color will change. So please keep those 2 things in mind. Other than that, please thumb up this video if you haven't already. Share this video with your family and friends. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please go on ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting on? Until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay blessed. This is Naturally Cookie. Thank you for watching my video.